If you've just bought a house and spotted these green-capped pipes sticking out of your yard, you're probably wondering what the heck they are and if they're tied to your septic system or something else. Alright, so here's the deal with those 6-inch wide green tops you found. They are most likely drain line turn-ups connected to your septic system's drain field. These covers give access to the underground pipes that carry wastewater from your septic tank out into the soil to break down. You definitely do not want anyone messing with them or opening them, because when the pump kicks on, you could get a nasty surprise, like brown water spraying out. The pipes are not part of any sprinkler system, so don't worry about them controlling your lawn irrigation. If you see wires nearby, that could be for sensors or alarms related to the septic system. But the main thing is those green caps mark important access points to your drain field. If your lawn care guy ran over them, it's usually okay as long as the covers didn't crack or move. They're made to handle some foot or light equipment traffic. Just remind anyone working in your yard to steer clear of those areas, since damaging them can cause costly septic repairs or backups. If you ever need to check or maintain the system, it's best done by a professional who knows how to safely handle septic components. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make with these septic drain field access points is accidentally opening or damaging the caps, which can release raw sewage and cause health hazards. Fix this by never opening them yourself and marking their locations clearly for landscapers. Another common issue is ignoring cracks or breaks in the caps or pipes after lawn work, leading to leaks or contamination. Keep an eye out for broken covers and call a septic pro immediately if you spot damage. The third problem is confusing these pipes with sprinkler heads and trying to adjust or repair them. Remember, these green-capped pipes are septic-related and not part of your irrigation system, so always confirm before touching anything in your yard. BigHomeProjects.com is a great resource for homeowners like you looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to things like septic systems or yard work. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to connect with new clients who need help with projects big and small around their homes.